Hello students, today we will continue with human excretory system. In human excretory system, we will first study what are the parts of human excretory system. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys. These are the pair of kidneys. One pair of ureters. This is one pair of ureters. A urinary bladder, this is urinary bladder, and a urethra, and this is urethra. So students, excretory system is made up of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, one urinary bladder and one urethra. Now next we will study what is the location of kidneys in human body. Where are these located? Kidneys are reddish brown, bean shaped structures situated between the levels of last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra, close to the dorsal inner wall of the abdominal cavity. First students, kidneys are reddish brown in color and their shape is bean shaped. They are bean shaped. So kidneys are reddish brown in color and their shape is bean shaped, and they are situated between the levels of last thoracic vertebra. This is last thoracic vertebra, T12. You know there are 12 thoracic vertebra. So this is 12th thoracic vertebra, T12. And this is third lumbar vertebra, L3. So it is situated in between the T12 and L3, means third thoracic vertebra to the third lumbar vertebra. Last thoracic vertebra to third lumbar vertebra, close to the dorsal inner wall of the abdominal cavity. And these kidneys are located near the posterior wall of the abdominal cavity. These are not located near the front wall of the abdominal cavity, but they are located near the dorsal wall or posterior wall of the abdominal cavity. So if we are asked to palpate the kidneys, students, if we are asked to mark the kidneys, we mark those from the back side of the abdominal cavity, not from the front side, because they are located near the posterior wall of the abdominal cavity. Third, we will study about the size and weight of the human kidneys. Each kidney of an adult human measures 10 to 13 centimeter in length. So the length of the kidney is around 10 to 13 centimeter. Width is around 5 to 7.5 centimeter, and the thickness is around 2 to 3 centimeter. And average weight of the kidney is 120 to 170 gram. So this was about the size and weight of the human kidneys. Now we will study about the structure of the kidney. In kidney, there are two surfaces. This is outer convex surface and this is inner concave surface. I am again repeating, this is outer convex surface and this is inner concave surface. So toward the center of inner concave surface of the kidney. So students, near the center, this is the center of inner concave surface. So near the center of inner concave surface, there is a notch. This is notch. Notch means depression. This depression is called hilum. And through this hilum, ureter, renal artery, renal vein, these are the blood vessels, as well as nerves, as well as ureter, they all enter into the kidney. Next, inner to the hilum is a broad funnel shaped space called the renal pelvis, with projections called the calyces. And students, if we will see inner to the hilum, this is the demarcation of hilum, and just inside to it there is a space which is known as renal pelvis, and this renal pelvis is further divided into calyces. These are the calyx. Calyx are nothing, they are the spaces. First there are narrow spaces which join to form the broader spaces, and these broader spaces further join to form the renal pelvis, and this renal pelvis will drain into the ureter, will continue as ureter. So these spaces are for collecting the urine. So these calyces will collect the urine and they will drain into the renal pelvis, and this renal pelvis will drain the urine into ureter. So these are the spaces for collecting the urine. So students, I think it is clear. Inner to the hilum is a broad funnel shaped space called the renal pelvis with projections called calyces. The outer layer of the kidney is a tough capsule. If you will see the outer layer of kidney, the kidney is covered by a tough capsule which is protective layer of the kidney, and inside the kidney there are two zones, and just inside the capsule if we will see there are two zones. The outer zone is known as cortex, whereas the inner zone is known as the medulla. There are two zones, the outer is cortex and inner is medulla. So this outer zone is cortex and this inner zone is medulla. Medulla is divided into a few conical masses. So all this is medulla, and this medulla is divided into these conical masses. These are cone shaped masses which are known as pyramids. So medulla is made up of pyramids. There are 10 to 12 pyramids in each kidney. And these pyramids project into the calyces, and these calyces will collect urine and will drain that urine into the pelvis and then to the ureter. The cortex extends in between the medullary pyramids as renal columns called the column of Burtony. And students, this you see the cortex is extending in between the pyramids. So the cortex which is extending into the pyramids, that is known as renal column or column of Burtony. So column of Burtony is the part of the cortex which is extending in between the pyramids. So students, this was about the gross structure of kidney. This was for today, and if you have any doubts you can mention in the comment section. We will answer you as much as possible, and if you want notes you can download from the description box. Thank you.